Welcome to Life Online Tutorial. Now let us simplify this expression on the board, and it shows that the square root of 8 raised to the power of 2 times 4 raised to the power of n plus 1, now all divided by 2 raised to the power of 2n times 16. Now if we take a look at this expression, you get to see that we have a common base, which is 2. Okay, so here 8 we can reduce this to 2, 4 will reduce it to 2, and this is 2 here already, and 16 we can also reduce it to 2, since we are told to simplify. Alright, so 8 reducing it to the base of 2, that means that will give us 2 raised to the power of 3, because 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8. So here we have 2 raised to the power of 3. Take note of this 2, then times, permit me, I will not put this yet, so that here we have 2 raised to the power of 2, okay, all raised to the power of what? N plus 1, then all over 2 raised to the power of 2n, then times, if we were to reduce this to base of 2, that would be 2 raised to the power of 4, so you have 2 raised to the power of what? 4. Okay, so let me just add this here now. Now, if according to the law of indices, we can actually multiply the exponent here. So here we have 2 raised to the power of 6, because 3 times 2 gives us 6, then times 2. Now 2 can multiply through with all this term here, so here we have 2n then plus 2, right, because 2 times n will give us 2n, and 2 times 1 will give us what? 2, then everything all over. Now since okay, now let us just work on this also. According to the law of indices, if you have a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n, this will give us what? A raised to the power of what? M plus what? N. Now applying this rule here, and we're going to apply it here also, this will give us 2 raised to the power of 2n plus what? 4. Now let's just take note of the radical here. Now in this case also, applying this rule here, we have 2 raised to the power of 6, now plus 2n plus 2, then all over 2 raised to the power of what? 2n plus what? 4. Alright, now take note also, if you have that a raised to the power of m all over a raised to the power of what? N, as long as they're having the same base, this becomes a raised to the power of what? M minus n. That is according to the law of indices. Now we're going to apply this to this, so this will give us take note, the whole of 6 plus 2 just give us 8 here. So let me just clean this. Let me just put 8 here and clean this. Right. So now here we have, since we have the same base, can I say this 2 raised to the power of what? 8 plus 2n, then minus, take note, 2n plus what? 4. Okay, so at this point we have here 2 raised to the power of what? 8 plus 2n. Take note that this minus will affect what's in the bracket, so we have minus 2n minus 4. Okay, so let us just work with this. Okay, this we eliminate this, because plus 2n minus 2 will give us 0, so we're left with what? 8 minus 4, and 8 minus 4 should give us what? 4. So here we have the square root of 2 raised to the power of what? 4. Let's take note that if you have x raised to the power of, the square root of x, can rewrite it as x raised to the power of 1 over what? 2. Okay, so if we apply that to here, it means that this one will be 2 raised to the power of 4, or raised to the power of 1 over what? 2. And according to the law of indices, we can actually multiply the exponent. So by multiplying, 4 times 1 over 2 will just give us 2 here 1, 2 here 2, giving us what? 2. So when we multiply this now, it's just giving us what? 2. So here we have 2 raised to the power of what? 2, which will give us what? 4. Wow, thank you, and God bless you. Bye bye.